Did I mention it was a masked ball?
The masquerade ball lends a sense of mystery to the film.
The masquerade ball is something put on by Kristian's parents for charity.
And it is so massive, and the colors are very saturated.
It just looks incredible.
One of the big set pieces in Darker is a big masquerade gala.
It was a mammoth undertaking, which I give Nelson Coates, the production designer, a lot of credit for.
There's so much eye candy going on.
We had all kinds of characters like fire breathers, acrobatics. It's actually incredible.
We had 200 guests that all needed to be in Venetian masks, outfits.
Every single mask was embellished with additional headpieces, which went with whatever the costume was. It was fabulous.
The whole place is just an explosion of color from the costumes and the set design, all with this Venice backdrop. And it's quite a magical movie moment.
It's lavish, it's sensuous, and it looks fabulous. It's the sort of place you think, I wish I was there.
Everybody's looking at us.
Not us. You.